Hi everyone, today we're diving into the flat earth theory. What is it and why do some people believe in it? The flat earth theory claims the earth is a flat disk, surrounded by a giant ice wall that keeps the oceans in. This idea dates back to ancient times when civilizations thought the earth was flat. However, as early as the 6th century BCE, Greek philosophers like Pythagoras and later Aristotle proposed the earth was spherical. This was further supported by explorers who traveled around the world. In the mid-20th century, the Flat Earth Society was established, reviving the theory. Members of the society often rely on personal observations and question the scientific consensus. They might say the horizon looks flat or that they can't observe the Earth's curvature from the ground, but let's talk about what science has to say. First, we have satellite images showing the Earth from space as a round planet. Astronauts in space also observe the Earth's curvature directly. Time zones provide another key piece of evidence for a round Earth. As the Earth rotates, different parts experience daylight and night at different times. Then there's the Coriolis effect, which shows how the rotation of the Earth affects wind patterns and ocean currents. So why does the flat Earth theory still have believers? For some, it's a deep skepticism of mainstream science or a desire to challenge accepted norms. While questioning is healthy, it's important to rely on credible evidence. Scientific consensus supports a round Earth. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more explorations of intriguing topics. Stay curious and keep questioning.